If you've seen ads for gut drops, you've probably noticed the huge claims: faster metabolism, quick fat loss, better digestion, and all with a 100% natural formula. Sounds amazing, right? But today, we're cutting through the hype to figure out whether gut drops is a legit supplement or just another marketing trick. Stay with me till the end, because some of the red flags might surprise you. Let's start with what the company promotes. Gut Drops is advertised as a miracle for gut health, boosting energy, improving digestion, and supporting weight loss without much effort. They also highlight that the product is made in an FDA registered facility, which many people assume means it's officially approved. Being made in an FDA registered facility does not mean the product itself is FDA approved. That's a major difference. On top of that, there's no solid scientific research provided to back up their bold claims. For a supplement that promises big results, you would expect published studies or clinical trials, but none are offered. Next, the company includes a standard supplement disclaimer saying, "These statements haven't been evaluated by the FDA, and this product isn't intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease." This is legally required for supplements, but it also means nothing. They're claiming is medically verified. Gut Drops advertises results in just a few days, whether it's gut health or weight loss. Real improvements don't happen overnight. Any supplement claiming rapid transformations is almost always exaggerating. The marketing uses a lot of fake urgency, like inflated customer return rates and vague sold out warnings. There are no verifiable reviews, and the product is missing from trusted marketplaces like Amazon and Walmart. When a supplement avoids major platforms, it's usually because they can't meet listing standards or don't want public reviews. There's almost no transparency. The company doesn't clearly state who owns the brand, where it's really based, or exactly what goes into the formulation. Legit supplement companies never hide this basic information. So, what should you do? Always look for peer-reviewed research before buying health supplements. Verify whether the product, not just the facility, is FDA approved. Stick to reputable sales channels with real customer feedback. And before starting any supplement, talk to your doctor or a qualified nutritionist. So is Gut Drops a scam or legit? With the lack of evidence, unrealistic promises, and missing transparency, it's definitely something to approach with caution. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest reviews. Your health and your wallet deserve the truth.